Beautiful three nights here in Alankrita. I think you're trained once again, heated up once again to go ahead with the next financial year. Are you guys ready? Yes. Are you guys heated up? Yes. Guys, I'm so happy and very proud today that we have achieved a lot in these 2 years. But still, there's some dissatisfaction in me that what we have expected from people like you, the most successful, most talented, most eligible people who came across from all the most important and most big companies in the Indian industry to our company. I was expecting a lot from you guys. You reached it, but I was expecting much lot from a successful people like you, because everybody have grown big. I've seen the market thoroughly. I have a lot of experience and joined us. But there's some small lacuna missing. I don't know what is that. That I'm not fully satisfied. Like we need lots and lots more. We want lot and lot to achieve. We are all so young. It's just a 2 years company. Everybody are so young. Now I want all of us to go on a marathon, run, not just on being the walk or crawl. As my brother said, within 15 months reaching a 1 crore secondary, it's really a tremendous thing what we achieved. But people like you came from 100 crore, multiple crores of company, doing lakhs of lakhs sales. For you, 1 crore may be very small. Even I thought that 1 crore number is so small for the people who joined us from big companies. That I want to be doubled, multiplied 10 times, 100 times, because you're all worth for it. I've got a lot of interaction with most of the people. I mean, who left our organization, who's still in the organization. I always ask them, like, what is missing, sir? Why are we not achieving what we want and what we think? They always said me that, sir, we're trying 99%, sir. I don't know what's the reason we're not able to get that. Most of the places we are able to get, but some places we're trying 99%, sir. We are giving the 99% effort, you're not getting it, you're not achieving it. Guys, I say that you're trying 99%. That 1% makes a lot different, lot hell of difference you can't even imagine. Recently, I've met an amazing creature on the earth, great guy, Mr. Srikanth Bulla. He's a blind guy by birth. He's been rejected by most of the Indian schools, colleges, government. Everybody ignored him, rejected him. But still, he never lose hope in him. He went abroad. He studied in MIT. MIT is the world's #1 university. He did his masters in science and accounts and mathematics. And he got an amazing job also there, a million dollar job. It's not at all a small thing. It's a very big thing. $1 million. It's a very big amount. But that guy, a blind guy, a 25 years young guy, he was frustrated. A person who achieved a lot, he wanted to show back his country and his people what he have done. And he wanted to give back people like him also something. So he came back India. He wanted to start up a small company because his father is a farmer. He doesn't have money and all. He tried hard. He went through lot many people, banks, financiers. Nobody encouraged him. Nobody, because that guy was blind. One day he lost hope. He felt that his life is nothing, he'll die. Because most of people always laugh at him. You're a blind guy, what can you achieve? Guy, dude, you got a better opportunity there. You left it like a hero and came back here. You can't succeed anymore. He lost totally hopes. He always used to think, dude, I've been trying I've been trying a lot. Almost I have put my 99% of effort in achieving what I want to do, but I couldn't do. That day, he was just browsing through YouTube. He found out a video. It's 212. The video is 212. It's a very great author wrote that book. It's 212. 212. I just want to explain what exactly that book was about and how it changes that blind guy's life. 212 is just a thing which motivated him. It's written in that water heats at the temperature of 211. Water is heated up at 211. When it's heated up at 212 degrees, it boils. What happens when water boils? It provides steam. What happens when steam comes? Steam has a power to on a lacunae, that's been a train. Steam has a power to run a train. That says that 1 degree of change, that 211 degrees of water is nothing useless. We can just take a bath in that, that's it. But that 212 degrees water have changed a lot, that gave an energy to run a big train. That one person, just a one single goddamn person, gives that much energy. In the same way, one person means a lot. That changes the life. It separates great, good to great, great to excellence. That one person. Guys, you all are intelligent, hardworking, you're putting your almost all the efforts, intelligence, but you're missing with that one person, I believe. Only that one person, guys, that will change your life. You always think whenever you get back, any doctor never connects with you, you are trying so much, never throw away. Just when you decide that, dude, ye doctor sunne wala nahi hai. I'm not gonna get this doctor in my hand. That day, once again go meet him. Dude, really it works. Once you lose totally hopes, give one more try. That one try will definitely fulfill your needs and takes you to success. With this, I'll give you small examples how much this 1 degree changes in you, changes everybody's life. Guys, in Olympics 800 meters medal, the gap between a winner and a loser is 0.24 seconds. Almost since 10 years, men 800 meters, a winner-loser gap is 0.24 seconds. That's it. The second guy, if you have taken that 0.24 breath a little bit late, he would have been the winner. That's the difference between a minute thing also. That changes from a loser to winner. In All India F1 race, every year it happens. Since 15 years, the minute gap between a winner and loser is just 1.05 seconds. And you know guys, winner takes 128 lakh billion dollars and the second place guy take 6 lakh billion dollars. That's about a change of 6.5 lakh billions. Million dollars. That's a very, very huge amount missing with just 1.05 seconds. That matters. One single point, everything matters a lot. So never lose hope. In this situation of this year, since 2 years, there is dramatic change in pharma industry. I always thought that we are a bit late entering into the market, but I don't know. It's been I feel very bad about it. There's a lot of changes coming up in the market. Market is falling down so badly. We were expecting about a 1 lakh crore business in India, but it's coming down drastically, it's falling down drastically. Most of the big companies like Cipla, Sun, Reddy's, everybody are so much bothered because of the changes in the market. But companies like them are striving so hard. Companies like us, who invested crores now, we're building up now, we have not even reached our break-even now. We need to strive double. We need to work hard double. We need to get the returns double. Sorry to say guys, we need to get the returns double. Give less to doctors, try to get more from the doctors. I know this is a very wrong phenomenon, totally opposite to the market, but only this thing can get our company into profits very soon. Definitely we'll get into profits, but very soon. That matters a lot. Market is changing drastically, a lot of changes coming up. Almost our three drugs in our company have been banned. Almost 14 to 15 brands of a company have went into DPCO. So very, very great, very enormous changes taken place, especially this financial year. But guys, next year, as I told you, success is only in your hands. Only you can take your success. Only you can write your story. Only you can create an history. It's only in one individual hand. Whatever he can do, he want to do, he will do. Mostly, lastly, I always feel in this line a lot. I love this line a lot. Every person expects something what he never had. Right, guys? We always want something we never had. But for that, we have to do something we never did. That people never think about. Always, everybody wants something they never had. But for that, we need to do something we never did in our life. That is most important. And once again, congratulate all the successful people of this year. And I hope Next year will be very much marvelous, tremendous, as you have seen all our great directors and all our superiors spoken what is our future plan, what it's going to be. Tie up with a Poland company, it's not so easy. It's just a small company. Poland, it's a very big company. I don't want to reveal the name. It's already a big company. It's already in almost 20 countries globally. They have chosen Vasu Organics in India. Maybe we may take Asian rights also, Pan Asia rights also in future. That's because the MD of that company trusted us. He have seen how we have grown. He trusted our people. He trusted all of your profile. He have went through all your profiles. That's the reason we are able to collaborate with such a big company. Future, it's just a small thing. We have lot more to do, lot more to achieve. Only because of you guys, and especially all these people who are sitting here, even after 20, 30, 40 years, wherever the company is, you guys have always will have the best place in company's book, because you have established, you have given a path for the next 50 years or 100 years or 200 years, how many years the company gonna be. Everybody should work for the company, even as me. I am working for the company, not for myself, because one day I'll die definitely, but I want my company to live live like how Tata, Birla, or some companies, even for generations, how the company has been and how this is providing life for thousands, crores of people. I want Vasu Organics to give life for crores of people in the near future, to go expand globally, to get success throughout. All the best, all the very best, and thanks a lot.